So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check your device's screen resolution in order to check it genuinely. All you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here you have to search for what is my screen resolution without giving any space. Just simply search on it your keyboard and just simply open this first website which spells like www.whatismyscreenresolution.org. Just simply tap over there, and when you open it, it will simply show you what your current screen resolution is. It defines it's 1536 by 864, the pixels ratio that I can check. And even the device resolution, the inner resolution, are also available here, that to be used. The resolution type is also there, the widescreen, and every other detail is available for me to use from here. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.